So you want your two tabs open, EdPuzzle and your Canvas account. We can start off in EdPuzzle. Just go to, I already did one for my team officiating referee class, but we can do it for government real quick. So all you do is go to My Classes, and then instead of adding the old way, create new class, just go to Canvas, and then click Set Up on EdPuzzle. And it's going to give you these two codes, consumer key and shared secret. So keep these two open, and then go back to your Canvas dashboard. I mean, you can do it in any account. I'm going to do it in my I'll do it in my sandbox. So go down to Settings, and then go to Apps, and all the apps that are that can integrate with Canvas are listed here. Formative is listed here, but we're still waiting on the two codes, these two codes, consumer key and shared secret, from Formative to integrate it. So the only one I've been able to integrate that social studies uses on a fairly consistent basis is EdPuzzle. So all you do is type in EdPuzzle, or let's see where it's at, and they're in alphabetical order. Oh, there it is. EdPuzzle, and then Add App, and it's going to ask you for the consumer key and the shared secret. Just go back to your EdPuzzle account, copy, paste in the consumer key, shared secret, copy, paste in the shared secret, and it should link up. And it might take some time. Let's see here if I close it, if it'll work. And once it's installed, you'll see EdPuzzle. Once you refresh it, it should pop up down here. So it is installed here now. So let me refresh my page. All right, perfect. And now it's down here on the left-hand corner, EdPuzzle. So click on that. Let's see if it auto-populates here. It might take some time to auto-populate in your EdPuzzle account. So I'm just going to title this one Sandbox account, grade level. Let's leave it as that. Just put history is fine. Create class, and now you have your EdPuzzle account integrated with your Canvas account. And there it is right there. So now you can add content, right, just like we did last year, previous years, to it, and you'll have it synced up with your Canvas account. All right, I think that's it.